Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Tapo TP-Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera. This wired doorbell boasts a stunning 2K 5MP resolution, delivering incredibly crisp and clear video, even in low light conditions. Its starlight sensor and built-in spotlight ensure vibrant color night vision, so you won't miss a detail, day or night. Experience a truly comprehensive view with its 180 degrees ultra-wide field of view. The 4:3 aspect ratio provides a head-to-toe view of your visitors, capturing more vertical detail than standard doorbells. Smart AI detection intelligently identifies people and vehicles, sending you targeted notifications, so you only get alerted to what matters. This doorbell isn't just smart, it's tough. The IP65 weatherproof rating ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, resisting both water and dust. For peace of mind, you can choose between local storage using a microSD card, up to 512 GB, or convenient cloud storage with Tapo Care, offering added features like motion tracking and even baby crying detection. It seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Home, adding effortless control to your smart home ecosystem. The Tapo D130 offers two-way audio, allowing you to communicate directly with visitors through the app, even if you're not home. Installation is straightforward, and it's available at a reasonable price. Don't compromise on security, upgrade your home security with the Tapo TP-Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera. Subscribe for more home improvement and tech reviews.